Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, and this is going to be a real short video. I'm going to talk about my setup here, but I'm going to explain why I'm doing this video out here outside. First things first, I just evaluated another action camera, which claimed to have 4K 60 frames per second video, and somebody had done a review on it, and the little video, the postage stamp size video that's in the review, looked fantastic. And I'm like, how's this one trying to get, you know, they got great video and my video looks like garbage. What the situation was is that when I blew it up full screen, oh, theirs looked like garbage too. I got a 4K screen, 55-inch screen, and 4K video at 60 frames per second should look pretty darn sweet, better than my best video games on that monitor, because that's what it does. It does 4K video. It shows that, demonstrates it to me. But when I shrink the windows on the screen, make it like 25%, you know, put it up there in a corner kind of thing of the video I was shooting, looked okay, looked fine. But the 4K wasn't really happening. So that's why I got me here. I got a driveway out to the trees, the grass and everything, blue sky and all that kind of stuff. And what I'm hoping that when I look at this video, if you're seeing it, my experiment demonstrated that other camera was nowhere near 4K 60 frames per second, but the GoPro 8 is, and I've been very happy with the video I've been shooting with this now that I've got it set up the way I want to. And in a very short distance to come in time, I am going to show you this setup and how I have it going. I'm just going to have to swap out my smartphone for the exact same phone that is my old phone that didn't work anymore. But I'll put my prop phone in there, and I'll actually be using my smartphone to shoot a 1080p video of that of the setup with the GoPro on a gimbal with the wired connection from the dongle to the wire TRS to TRS wire that goes into my receiver for this wireless microphone and other wireless microphones that I have like that have that option to be able to do it. All of these microphones that are like this will work with GoPro, but the other ones that I have that work specifically, they plug in with USB-C into the bottom part of my smartphone, which they would do right here as a matter of fact. Those will not work with the GoPro. I can't get those to work in any way, shape, or form. I've tried all kinds of things. They just won't work. So I have to have either a wired microphone, or I have to have one of these powered receivers that goes TRS to TRS, and that works just fine. All right, so with that, that's going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like the video, make that comment below, let me know you came by to say hi, and if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. So I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and be well.